Very much. Well, a retired teacher in Maryland continues to give back to the community during the pandemic. She is our latest recipient of the ABC7 Helping Hands initiative with Eastern's Automotive Group.
Good morning, Catherine.
She thinks of other people, in particular her students, and she knew that some of them would not have the lunch at school.
After schools were shut down, she opened up her kitchen, and she's now running a food pantry out of her garage. Neighbors, fellow teachers, her husband, and even once complete strangers are all helping out.
Many of our students came here on their own. They're paying their own rent, they're paying their own bills, they're working 40, 50 hours a week while they're going to school. So even before COVID, the struggle was 24/7.
Thanks to donations, local food pantries, even the USDA, she now receives weekly shipments of goods, has been feeding 75 students and their families 3 times a week. So we decided to partner with our friends at Eastern's Automotive Group through our ABC7 Helping Hands program and decided to give back to Karen Schilling.
Yeah, we were touched by the story just like a lot of people in the community and want to continue to help you support everything. You're obviously such a giver with what you did professionally and what you're doing now. So we wanted to help you guys with donating $1,500.
Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Feeding your community.
Oh my goodness, this is wonderful. This will help us so much.
And I have a feeling I know where this is going.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh, my head is swirling already. I'm thinking of so many ideas. Oh, thank you, this will help.
In Silver Spring, John Gonzalez, ABC7 News.
Excellent work. And if you know someone or an organization who deserves an ABC7 Helping Hand, you can nominate them by going to WJLA.com/helpinghands. We'll be right back.